Hello there and welcome to another one of these 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Since 2020, 30 women have been murdered in Northern Ireland by white men. And none of these murders provoked any kind of violent protests or riots. However, earlier this week, a black man from Sudan tried to kill a white man in Belfast, and this sparked 2 days of violent rioting. Lots of people travelled from other parts of the United Kingdom to take part in these racist riots. And basically, the riots attracted the dregs of society, the lowest of the low. If you talk about the dregs of society, you mean the very worst people in society. If you look the word dregs up in a dictionary, the first meaning you'll find is actually the small, solid bits that sink to the bottom of liquids like wine or coffee or beer and that aren't supposed to be drunk. So maybe right at the bottom of a bottle of wine, you'll find the dregs there. And maybe, if you really need a coffee in the morning, you drink it right down to the dregs. If you're in the pub with some friends and you've got a little bit of beer left, you might say, 1 minute, we'll go in a second, let me just finish the dregs. Dregs can also mean the last remaining bits of something. So maybe if a company's in financial difficulties, if they're having financial difficulties, you may find that they're down to the dregs of their cash reserves. They're down to the dregs of the money they've got available. One thing you often hear people in the army complaining about is that the officer class get all the best food and the rest of the soldiers get the dregs. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use dregs or the dregs of society.